Okay, grade 5. This is exercise 2-1. Let's go to the first exercise in unit 2. Question number 1. If this triangle as isosceles, all what you need to do, you get your ruler and you measure the sides. You measure the sides. When you measure the sides, you'll find this side here is equal to this side here. The two sides are equals. So you're gonna say what? Yes. How? Yes. Yes. It is isosceles. Okay, how do you know? Because two sides are equal. That's two equal sides, or it has two equal sides. Let's go question number C. They said drawing around the scalene triangle. We know a scalene triangle. What is it? Like before you go, you need to know the type of triangles according to their sides. We said what we have equilateral. You need to know how to pronounce it. Equilateral. And the equilateral, we said what? All sides are equals. Okay? All sides are what? Or we could say has three equal sides. Sides. Then number 2, you have what? You have isosceles. An isosceles, like what? Has two equal sides. And remember, this one has two equal sides and also has three equal angles. And because the triangle is 360, each angle is equal to 60 degrees. And the isosceles we say has two equal sides and also has what? Has two equal angles. Angles. Okay, so this is drawing around the scalene. So what is scalene? We have scalene. Scalene what? Different sides. Sides. I mean different length. And for sure different lengths. With different sides, different lengths. Then you go one by one. This A, if you look, the sides are equal. This one, you look at it, you measure the sides. You find what? We find the sides are this one. I think it's equal to this one. Okay? This one, sides are different. So you're going to what? So draw a ring around the scalene triangle. So this is, you think is scalene? Yes. So go draw a ring around this one is scalene. Okay, you draw a ring around this triangle because it's a scalene. Okay, you draw a ring around this one. Because also this one is what? Number D is also scalene because the sides have got different lengths. You draw a ring around this one. And I think E also is scalene, so you also like have different lengths. So you draw a ring around it. Okay, because it's a scaling triangle. Let's go to exercise number 3. They say label the angles, each vertex of this triangle. Okay, acute, obtuse, or right angle. Okay, like the idea is like that. Remember, this angle, when the angle is like that, this one, if you can draw square here, when you gain this one, with this one here like that, and you'll make a small square. So this is we call it right angle. This we call it what? We call it a right angle. This is we call it what? A right angle. So this is right angle. Any angle less than this angle, like the open is less than this one, we call it what? We call it acute angle. Like that, we call it what? Acute angle. And an angle is bigger than the 90 degrees, we call it obtuse. When it's open, like bigger than what? Bigger than 90. Okay, so this is right. This is right angle. And this is acute angle. And this is obtuse. Obtuse angle. So you go. The acute angles are very clear. Like this one is acute. Acute. And remember, any triangle, you'll find at least 2 acute angles in any triangle. Like this one is acute, immediately look at the other one, you'll find 2 acute. This one is acute. Now take a look at this one carefully. If it looks like right, you're not no, go and try to make a circle here. I mean, make a square, not a circle. Make square here. This will be what? Will be a right angle. Okay? Or you can use your protractor. How do you use your protractor? Look at this way. This is how you use it. Protractor, come, put your protractor over here on this angle like that. This is how your protractor look like. This is the 0. This is the center. And here is a 0. Go, you'll find here, this is 90 degrees. Find the 90 degrees exactly here. So this is what? This is a right angle. This is a right angle. Okay, then when I ask you the other triangle here, and you go to it, first look for your acute angles. 2 angles are acute immediately. Like which one acute angle? This one is acute angle, good. Like remember, in any triangle, there are 2 acute angles. Look for the other acute angle, where is it? Yes, this one is acute. Then come with your protractor and put it over here. Put your protractor here. Please remember, to start the 0 inside the point. Like the 0 should be here. You start from this 0 here. This is the center. Then see, we'll find the 90s here. This is one is more than 90. So we call it what? We call it obtuse. This we call it what? Obtuse. Go to this one. We say 2 angles are acute all the time. Yes, so look for your acute angle. This angle here is acute. Okay. This one is acute. Go and if you'd like to measure anyone, you can measure to the protractor. This is acute. Go and measure this one with a protractor. Okay, like put your protractor here. Protractor, you can put it this way. Your protractor. And this is what this is center. This is here the 90. You'll find this angle less than 90. So which is what? Which is also acute. So this is also acute. Acute. Let's go to the exercise after this one. They say draw a scalene triangle using a ruler and a pencil. I ask you draw a scalene. The scalene side are different. So just draw what? Draw a side here, very tall one. Draw one here, should be small a little bit. And you better like if you make it completely like that. And then you join this one to that one as you like. Those three, make sure the three sides are different next. So it will be what? It will be scalene triangle. Number 5, they say on each of these isosceles triangle, circle the angles that are the same size. You could use a tracing paper. You can use tracing paper to compare. Like first of all, you need to know which sides are equal. Like in this triangle or in this isosceles triangle, which sides are equal? This side equal to this side. Okay, let's go to this one. We'll find this side here is equal to this side. Okay, then go to this one with this triangle. You'll find this side equal to this side. Go to this triangle, you'll find this side here equal to this side. Okay, to know the two equal angles, that is very easy. Those two sides are equal, they meet at this angle. So this angle is out of them. So the two equal angles will be what? Will be this one and this one. Look, your two equal sides, they meet at angle. This side equal to this side. Those both of them, they meet at here. So forget about this angle, and those are the two angles. Here, those two, this side equal to this side. Both of them, they meet at this angle, yeah? So this angle is out. Those two are equal angles. This angle is equal to this angle. The same idea, go for this one. Those two sides, they meet at this angle here. Because they go and they intersect here. So forget about it. Then those are the two equal angles. Here, this one, and this angle. The same idea for this one. Those two sides, they meet at this angle. Forget about this angle. And this one. These are the equal angles. So if in any what isosceles triangle, the two sides, they meet at this angle will be out, and the other two angles will be in. Write a sentence about side of equilateral triangle. When they ask you about sides, you could say what? The sides have the what? The same length. Okay. Say write sentence about angle of an equilateral triangle. Okay. Say what all angles are the what? The same size, and each one is 60 degrees. Each one is 60 degrees because we said any triangle, all the angles is 180. When you divide 180 by 3, because they are equals, each one will be 60 degrees. They say draw an isosceles triangle with two sides 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay, the other side shorter than 6 centimeter. Okay, no problem. Like go draw it like that. Please like make the sides like make draw from here. Like draw what? Don't draw the first. No, draw the 6 sides first because you need to use only ruler and what? And a pencil. Draw from here a side equal to 6 centimeter. Go make it 6 centimeter like that. Then from a part next to it, okay? From here, put your ruler here and draw 6 centimeter next to it. Like don't try, like some people they could make the other 6 centimeter, like they could make it like that. If you make it like that, the other side will be more than 6 centimeter. So to make the other side is less than 6 centimeter, go from here and you draw 6 centimeter and make it very close to this one, 6 centimeter. Then join those two together. You'll find this one is less than 6. And that's it. Make a line here and make a line here. Make sure this is what, like to show this is what isosceles triangle. They ask you draw isosceles triangle with two sides, 6, 6 long, and the other side is longer. Okay, this one, you make it them bigger. Like you go from here, draw 6 centimeter, which is over here. And then go draw 6 centimeter, which is what? Which is there. And then join the two sides together. You'll find what? You'll find those two sides. This is 6. This one 6. This one will be automatically more than 6. Okay, how to do it? To make this one, make this angle acute angle and make it very small acute angle. And to make this one big, make this angle obtuse angle and make it very big obtuse angle. So this one will be perfect. Let's go to this one. They say trace the triangle in this tessellating pattern. Make templates of triangles and complete the pattern. Okay, they ask you just to complete this pattern. To complete this pattern, you do the same idea like this one. You go from here, you go down to join this one. Okay, with your ruler, we'll join this one. Then with the same idea of what he did, like what? Like from here, go and measure this one. You can go and you can keep like what doing the same type of triangles. Okay, making this one, like join this one with here. I join this one here. If you would like to make the same pattern, like look at this pattern. Here, one triangle, this one is cross. One triangle, this one you divide. Okay, so you go, you make this one empty, and then you make this one from here. You go to there. Go to here. And then this one is 4. This one you can need to divide it by what? Divide it by 2. So you go like that. Okay, so this is what you do. So with the same idea, okay, for this one, okay, you see for this one, you complete it this way. Then for this one, go and do this one over here. Go on, join this one, make it, continue it, continue this one, going there. Okay, then for this one, you come down this way. So Go down with this one, this way. Okay. Sorry. Yes. Go with this one down from here. And on. And go down this way. Join this one. This way. This one. You break it into two to be the same pattern. This one, you break it into two to be the same pattern. Yeah, with the same idea, continue this line, but you can go with this one to the end. All of it to the end. And you can divide this one like that to rectangles. Rectangles to here. And this one to rectangle here like that. This one to a rectangle for this way. Okay, so one this way, and then you keep doing like that. So you go on, break these ones, the same idea. We start from the beginning, like you break this one into two triangles, you go with this one and break it into two triangles. You go to this one and you break it into two triangles. So keep doing this for all your triangles so you could keep what the same pattern over and over. So you keep your same idea continuing at the time. So make it this way. And here you do this one this way. Now, like, how do you see what this one is one, this one is divided into two, one divided by two, this one divided, this one by two. This one you divide this one by this one, this is you divide it into two. This one you divide it into two. This is a full one, this one is divided into two. Now this one is full, this one is divided into two. The same idea, this one is full, this one is divided into two. Again, this one is full, this one is divided into two. This one is full, this one is divided into two. You keep doing this for all your triangles. This is one, this one you divided into two. This is full triangle, and this one you divided into two. So this is how you do make them, and how you do what? You do the same type of triangles over and over with the same tracing. Book question number 9. They say this across word it is filled in with words about triangles. Write the clues for the cross word. Okay, so look at this one. We have a cross. 1, 2, and down. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, cross. Let's see. What do we have? Like a cross we have here. Okay, we have the word what? Translate. We've got the word what? Translate. It's number 4. It's translate. So you go right here, what? Translate. And remember, when we say translate, it means what? It means when you draw them together, there will be no gaps between them. And number 6, they say what? Word is also what is scaling. It's scaling. Then let's go to number 1. We have isosceles. Number 1 down, we have isosceles. Isosceles. I, dos. We have isosceles. In the second word, we have what? Angle. Number 2, we have angle. Then number three, we have sine. Number three, we have what? We have sine. Sine. Number three. Number five, we have triangle. Number five, we have triangle. Triangle. A triangle. So these are the words. So this is the end of what? Of this exercise. See you next time in another different exercise and bye-bye.